Now check this out. We got a purple haze. Purple haze? What's that all about? Yeah, that sounds like something, you know, 420. No, it's not. It's actually a 1932 Ford 3-window Roadster. Roadsters do have a certain je ne sais quoi about them. A beauty that is uncompared. And there's some uncompared beauty right there. But you know, I gotta say, paint job, beautiful shade. Tires, yeah, a little dirty, but okay. It's everything else that is pretty. Even your shoes wear out. Oh, it looks kind of like a deep blue here, but you know, in all honesty, it's actually, to my eyes, a purple. That's the trickery of paint. Videos and eyes. Do you like it? Well, I do, so the eye has it. Right there. Until next episode, this is Willis, signing off.